Hello my dear students of grade 5, welcome in a new video. Today we'll talk about the final revision of the second term and let's get into it. Our final revision, it will be as a model of exam according to exam paper specification, and it will be consist of two parts or two groups. The first group, it will be 9.9 points of choose and each one of them has only 1 mark. The second part, 7 essay questions and each one of them have 3 marks. Let's get into it. Okay, the first point, 23/6 is equivalent to. Okay, as we all see all the options, all what I have are mixed numbers, so I have to convert 23/6 into mixed number. How? By using the long division. Okay, so I have 23 divided 6. Think with me, what is the number times 6? Give me 23 or less than at, and you all got it right. It will be 3. 3 times 6 equals 18, and let's make the subtraction. 23 minus 18, it will be 5. So it will be 3 and 5/6. 3 and 5/6, and this is the correct option. Okay, or this is correct answer. May some of one will say, let's convert all those mixed numbers into improper fraction and see whether it's equal to 23/6 or equivalent to 23/6 or not. And in this case, I will say that that's maybe right, but it may be tricky. This is maybe tricky because it may give you a fraction able to simplify. Okay, so don't have risk and let's make it as long division. The second one, the quadrilateral, which has no line of symmetry, is the parallelogram. Definitely all of them have line of symmetry, okay, but the parallelogram has no line of symmetry because there is no line. I can draw it in the parallelogram and give me two identical parts. Okay, the decimal that represents the shaded part. Here's the shaded part. If it may be, it may not appear on your camera, so in the camera, so it will be just like this. As we see, it's half of the circle, 1/2, but he wants the decimal that represents the shaded part. Half, as we all know, it will be 0.5. How to convert it? I times it by 5, and here is also by 5. So 5 times 1 equals 5/10, and 5/10 it will be 0.5. The volume of rectangular prism whose dimension 5, 4, 3 is equal, and let's see. The dimensions, when he say the dimensions, just like he said the length, width and height. So I want to find the volume, so I have to multiply them all. I have to say 5 times 4 times 3, which equals 60. So it will be 60 cubic centimeters. Okay, in triangle LMN, if LM equal MN, then the triangle LMN is what? Okay, let's see, scalene or isosceles or quadrilateral, equilateral. Okay, the main point that will give me the right answer, this point, this part, LM equal MN. So that means I have two equal sides, and the only triangle which has only two equal sides is the isosceles. May some of you will say, why not the equilateral? The equilateral has 3 equal sides. All sides are equal. And the scalene has no equal sides. The only case which has 2 equal sides is the isosceles triangle. Is it clear for you? Let's get to the next. The solid with the seventh one, the solid with 2 circular bases. two circular bases, that means cylinder. Okay, I have 9 times 5 over 9. It's whole number, so its denominator equal 1. Someone would say, I have 9 with 9, so let's cancel them and it will be 5 over 1, which equal 5. This is the right question. This is the right answer. Okay? Some of you will say, why not? I can't do this. I can do this. I can say 99 times 5, which equal 45, over 1 times 9 equal 9. And 45 divided 9 equal 5. This is also another right way to find the answer. Both of them are right. Both of them give me the same answer, the same correct answer, which equals 5. Okay, I have 7 hours and what minute? What is the minutes? But let's get to the first part. 7 and 3/4 hours equal. What is the number? How many hours and how many minutes? Okay. 7 and 3/4. I have the whole part 7. The whole part goes 2 hours. What about the 3/4? I want to convert 3/4 hours into minutes. How? Let's do it. By finding the equivalent. I have 3/4 equal. Ask yourself, how many minutes inside 1 hour? And I think you all get it right, equals 60. And I think you all think just like me. 4 times what? Give me 60. That's right, times 15. 4 times 15 gives me 60. So 3 times 15 equal 45. So that means the 3/4 hours equal 45 minutes. So the right answer, it will be 7 and 45. Is it clear for you? Good. Let's get to the second part, or the second group of questions, which is the essay questions. Okay. In the case of essay question, please read the question carefully, think about it, and then answer. Okay? Don't rush. Think and read. Think and solve. Okay? That's it. If the price of a pen is £2.50, so find the price of 4 pens. Okay. The price of 4 pens, that means 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. I think you all think just like me, and you all say this is a repeated addition. A repeated addition, which is the multiplication. So 4 times 2 and 1/2. Let's convert the 2.5 into improper fraction. So 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. So it will be 4 and 5 times 5/2. You want to simplify it first? It's okay, it's not matter. You want to multiply then simplify, it's also okay. I prefer to multiply then simplify. Now I have 4 is a whole number, so its denominator will be 1. 4 times 5 equal 20. And 2 times 1 equal 2. 20/2, so I will divide it, so that means 20 divided 2, which equal 10. And don't forget to write the unit, 10 pounds. Because he wanted the price of 4 pens. Okay. Graph the plane coordinate points. Graph from the plane coordinate points. Okay, I have A, 3 and 2. stand on 3 and go up 2. This is the point A. B, 3 and 6. Stand on 3 and go up to 6. Here is B. C, 5 and 6. Stand on 5 and go up to 6. This is C. And finally D, 5 and 2. Stand on 5 and go up 2. This is D. And then connect them. Okay, what is the shape connecting points? So let's connect them. Okay, we'll connect them in order: A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. So I have A. B, C, D. In this case and in this question specifically, I want from you to plot and draw using the pencil and the ruler. Okay, draw and plot using the pencil and the ruler. So because if you made a mistake, you can erase it easily. Okay, so in this case I have A, B, C, D. If you make it on your copybook or on your book, you will find out that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. And all what I have to say, how can I conclude that this is an rectangle? It's simple. I have 4 right angles, I have two pairs of parallel sides, and I have each 2 opposite sides are equal. I have BC parallel to AD and equal it. I have AB equal CD and equal it. But BC doesn't equal CD. So that means this is a rectangle. Okay, is it clear for you? Let's get to the next. Okay, evaluate in the simplest form. I have 8 and 1 over 2 minus 4 and 3 over 5. Okay, let's make it. First, I have to make the denominators are the same using the LCM, and in this case the LCM of 2 denominators, it will be 2 times 5. Why the multiplication? Because the denominators are prime numbers, and in the case of prime numbers the LCM, it will be their multiplication. It will be 2 times 5, which equal 10. Okay, so I have 8 and here is 10 minus, here is the 4 and the same, and the new denominator is 10. 10 divided 2 equal 5. 5 times 1 equal 5. 10 divided 5 equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Wait a minute. I have the first numerator is less than the second denominator, numerator. Or in another word, I can't say 5 minus 6, so I have to regroup it. Okay? How? The 8 will be 7. And let's add the denominator with the numerator. 10 plus 5 equal 15. Over 10. Minus 6 and minus 4, 4. And 6 over 10. Denominator is the same, still the same, 10, okay? 15 minus 6 equal 9. 7 minus 4 equal 3. So I have 3 and 9 over 10. And this is the simplest form because there is no common factor between the 9 and 10, okay? Did you get it? Good, let's get to the next one. Multiply and write the result in the simplest form. First, we all know that I cannot make this multiplication of mixed number. So I have to convert those mixed numbers into improper fractions. How? 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 times 1 equal 9. So I have 9 times 4. Okay. Times 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. and here is 8 over 3. 9 times 8 equals 72 over 3 times 4 or 4 times 3 equals 12. This is improper fraction, so I have to convert it into a mixed number using the division, okay? So it will be, here is 72, here is 12, and ask yourself, what is the number times 12? Give me 72 or less than it, and I think you all get it right. It will be 6, because 6 times 12 equals 72. 72 minus 72 equals 0. Okay, in this case I have no remainder, so I have to write the quotient only. Again, if I have no remainder, then write the quotient directly. So the quotient in this case, it will be 6, okay? Did you get it? Good, let's get to the next one. A cuboid, its volume equal 24,000 cubic centimeters. Its length equal 30 centimeters and its width equal 20 centimeters. Find the height. Okay, this is the reverse of the volume rule, okay? We all know that the volume equal length times width times height. But what about if I have the volume and length and width and I have to search or to find out the height? Well, it's simple, a small rule. The height, or I can say it h, equal volume over length times width. Okay? So it will be 24,000 divided by 30 times 20. In this case, do the multiplication first, then divide. Okay? Do the multiplication first, then divide. So I have 24,000 divided by 30 times 20 equals 600. And it's time to simplify. 2 0 cancel 2 0 with 2 0. So I have 240 divided 6, which equal 40. If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, multiply 40 times 20 times 30. If you got 24,000, that means your answer is right. If you don't, please try again. Be careful in this case, okay? If I want to check 40 times 20 times 30, and I think you all got it, 24,000, okay? Let's get to the next one. If d minus 1 and 5 over 6 equal 3 and 7 over 9, then d equal what? Okay, this is an equation. So if I want to solve this equation, that means throw the one to the other side with the inverse of operations. So that means d, it will be 3 and 7 over 9 plus 1 and 5 over 6. I have different denominators, so I have to unify them or get the LCM of 9 and 6. Okay, I have 9 equal 3 times 3. And I have 6 equal 3 times 2, just like this. And I think you all know how to get the LCM. Drop all those numbers. 3 times 3 times 2. So that means the LCM in this case, it will be 3 times 3 equal 9, 9 times 2 equal 18. So our new denominators, it will be 18, okay? Here is the 3, here is 1. 18 divided 9 equal 2, 2 times 7 equal 14. 18 divided 6 equal 3, 3 times 5 equal 15. And let's make the addition. 18 is still the same. 14 plus 15 equal 29. And 1 plus 3 equal 4. Wait a minute. I have a mixed number with improper fraction. In this case, I have to convert this part of improper fraction into a mixed number and add the whole number with the new whole number. So 29 divided 18. What is the number times 18? Give me 29 or less than 8. I think you all got it right. 1. 1 times 18 equal 18. And let's make the subtraction. It will be 11. So 4 and 29 over 18. It will be 4 plus 1 and 11 over 18. So in another word, 4 plus 1, it will be 5 and 11 over 18. Please, in this case or in this question specifically, be careful in each step you write, okay? Did you get it? Let's get to the next one or to the final one. In the opposite figure, show a survey for the favorite fruit of a group of people. Okay, what is the number of people who took this survey? Simply, I have each one and I have each fruit and the number of people. Okay, the watermelon 50, the fig 25, bananas 12, and mango 13. He wants to know the number of people who took this survey, so that means I have to get the total. The total, it will be 25 plus 13 plus 12 plus 50, and I think that you all got it equal 100. So the number of people who took this survey is 100. The fraction that represent the watermelon, please, when he asks you about the fraction that represented the watermelon, or generally any one of them, it's simply the number of watermelon divided by the total, or in another word, the number of the watermelon or mango or bananas or whatever over the total. So I have 50 over 100. And please put it in the simplest form. 0 cancel 0 with 0, 5 and 5 over 10. When I want to simplify it, divided by 5 and also divided by 5. 5 divided 5 equal 1. 10 divided 5 equal 2. So the fraction, it will be half. The decimal that represents the figure. To get the decimal, that means I have to get the fraction. And then let's see. The fraction of figs, it will be 25. This is the number of figs, as you see, over the total, 100. And 25 over 100, it's clear for you, it will be 0.25. By the end of this question, we have reached to the end of our video and the end of our curriculum. It's been a long way, but you all were very clever. You've been so amazing. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for each and every one of them who solved and studied more and more. Thank you. See you soon in grade 6, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.